Yo, what's up? It's your boy Greg fucking Smokes. Hi, I'm Greg Newbold, and today I'm going to do the Weet-Bix Mukbang challenge. That's good. Since the All Blacks started playing rugby, Weet-Bix has been the staple breakfast for all New Zealand kids. And I'm going to see how much I can eat. So let's begin, team.
That's good. Happy with the intro?
Yeah, I think I'm happy, yeah.
Okay, right, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, that's me, I'm done. Alright guys, that was 30 Weet-Bix. I feel like shit. But I feel like I've outdone any All Black. And always remember to like the video. Please subscribe and tell all your friends about it. I'll see you next time.